Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the control panel. Once the panel opens, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down, scroll through the list of options and find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Once you find it and you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on the Do Not Disturb. The status should change to on and the screen will get dimmer, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to home screen. And on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the speaker with the crossed out with the X next to it, which means that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, open the control panel again by pressing and holding the control panel lower button, scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and the status will change to off. The screen will get brighter, and once you're done you can swipe right again to go back, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.